Hey, this is Kelsey. In this video, I want to share with you the 5 types of tools to create affiliate hub traffic. So, the first type of tool that I want to share with you has to do with the promotion of the content that's on your hub. So, the type of tools that you want to use to help you to promote your hub content includes social, search, and email content creators. There's also social prospector tools out there, copywriting tools, and link trackers. The next type of tools is designed to help you attract hub visitors. So you can use keyword research tools, your actual mobile phone just to create videos, market research tools, as well as page analytics. Next is the conversion of your hub leads. And to help you with converting your hub leads, is integrated hub offers that you can make. You can use your hub builder to help you do that. And there's also email autoresponders that can help you with converting leads. Next is tools that helps with building a hub community. So you can use exclusive hub offers, video streaming tools, your hub builder, and your CRM, which is your customer relationship management tool. And then finally, you need tools to help you to establish hub partners. So to help you with that, you would use your hub builder, your done for you webinars and funnels, affiliate programs that you join, as well as affiliate syndicates. All of these are the 5 types of tools that you can use to create affiliate hub traffic in your affiliate marketing business. So thank you so much for watching. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe. Also, click on the bell notification to get notified whenever I release new content. And also, don't forget to smash the like button. Appreciate you. Have a great one.